Hi guys, it's Sarah. I'm back with another video, and today I wanted to open up some art supplies that I got from a fellow artist, and I'm really excited because I've been waiting to open this on camera so that way I can get my natural reaction and that way I can remember it. So this one is from Leigh Ellexson, I think that's how you say her name. I've ordered from her before. What? Oh my god. I don't know if I ordered this. I think she just threw this in here. I've ordered from her before, and I really love her stuff. I love her cute little notes she put. Thanks, Sarah. Aw, I love that. I love that so much. I'll make sure I got everything. Okay. I keep these little sticky notes that she gives me. I think they're so cute. I'll link the video I did before of my other order that I ordered from her like a while ago. But I just ordered these recently, probably like a week ago, and this came really fast. Like, I'm super surprised it came this fast. Oh, these are so cute. I really fell in love with this leaf pin. I thought it was so precious. And then I got this cute little tiger. You see his cute little face? I hope you can see that. He's super cute. I got a new jean jacket, by the way, so like I really wanted to get like more pins for it. I think she gave me something else in here. Oh, it's like her little business card. It's so cute. It's a little like square. I love that. And I like that she's like using like recyclable like material for her packaging. I think that's really nice. I ordered these like postcard thingies. Oh, they're so cute. Oh my god. I love this fox. Oh, they're so nice too. They feel so like matte and like but smooth at the same time. Oh, that's really nice. It feels like kind of like sticker paper almost, but I know it's not sticker paper. Oh, this is cute. Oh, the owl. Look at him. He's so precious. He looks like he's full of knowledge. Oh, this reminds me of her bird Herc. Aw. This is so cute. Oh my god, the cats. Oh, I used to have a black cat named Sammy. Aw. That is so precious. And then the tiger, of course. I've been in love with like her tigers lately. That is so nice. I love this. Thank you, Leigh. These are like so amazing. I love them. Oh, she gave me this for free because I did not order this. This she just gave to me, so I really appreciate that. That's really sweet. And another thing I did get, you guys, I didn't open this one on camera because when it came, I was super like excited, so I just opened it. I got a pin from Baylee J. I originally wanted the ducky one, but it was sold out by the time I got to her shop. So I got the flower bun one, which I thought was really cute. And then this is her cute little like postcard thing. I wanted to order more from Baylee, but all her postcards were all sold out. The pins I wanted were all sold out, so this was the last thing left that I wanted, so that's what I ended up getting. So I wanted to get more, but she didn't have any more stuff on there, but that's okay. I know her stuff kind of sells out quickly. But yeah, oh, this is so cute. Go open it. I've been waiting to opening it. I've been waiting to open it, my bad. I can't English today. Oh, it's so cute. Yes, I love it. Oh, it's got pink backings. That's like precious. I love that. I got an A grade. Oh, it has glitter in it. Can you see that? It's got glitter in it. I don't know if you can see. I don't know if that's helping or not. It's got glitter. So yeah, that's what I ordered. I did order from another artist. I'm still waiting for that. She's from Canada, so and it's probably gonna take a while, especially since like I ordered it before 4th of July. So that's like a holiday for us in the US, so that's probably why it's taken a little bit. But I love everything I got, so thank you, Leigh. Thank you, Baylee. These are really nice. I love buying like other artists' stuff and kind of like supporting them. I think that's really important. So yeah, look out for more videos soon from me. I have a lot of drawing video ideas in my head that I want to execute for you guys and put out. So yeah, look forward to that. I will talk to you next time. Bye.